Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Clearbit and reset LinkedIn enrichment settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Clearbit, start by accessing your computer's settings. For Windows, click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to Apps. Scroll through the list of installed applications to find Clearbit. Once found, click on Clearbit to highlight it. Select the Uninstall button that appears. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. For Mac users, open the Finder. In the Finder, go to the Applications folder. Locate the Clearbit application. Drag the Clearbit app to the trash. To reset LinkedIn enrichment settings, log into your LinkedIn account. Click on the Me icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, choose Account Preferences. Scroll down to find the Data Privacy section. Click on LinkedIn Enrichment. To reset settings, look for the option to clear or modify your current enrichments. Follow any prompts to complete the reset. After making changes, ensure to save your settings. Double-check that Clearbit is no longer an active integration. Finally, verify that your LinkedIn enrichment settings reflect the resets you've made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.